Remember him? Of course you do. He said that it's a disaster waiting to happen. Celebrities like Reese Witherspoon and Paris Hilton, on the other hand, are buying it. And Twitter may soon let you tip people with it. What am I talking about here? Cryptocurrency, of course. Hey everyone, this is Cyrus and we are here to give you some crypto gyan in this week's Crypto Unfiltered. अब इंडिया में क्रिप्टो को लेकर इतनी बातें चल रही हैं और अगर आप लोग न्यूज़ फॉलो भी नहीं करते तब भी आई एम श्योर कि आपने क्रिप्टो के बारे में तो कहीं ना कहीं सुना ही होगा. After a slow period, things really started to ramp up for cryptocurrency and especially Bitcoin during the pandemic. People stuck at home were exploring more options to invest and crypto benefited from this. By the end of 2020, Bitcoin was on a bull run that defied gravity and lasted several months into 2021 before dropping sharply. At the time, people started writing eulogies for cryptocurrency again, but wouldn't you know it, Bitcoin has been on the rise again, breaking the $50,000 barrier again last week. And other cryptos like Ether, Cardano, and even the lesser ones like Hi Dogecoin have also gained over time. So what does this mean for you? Let's break it down in this episode. Is buying crypto speculating or investing? You might be wondering what the difference is. The definition varies depending on whom you ask, but the main difference is the amount of risk involved in the investment. When you're investing, you're looking at the underlying fundamentals, trying to see where long-term gains can come from and seeing if something will appreciate over time. Speculating, on the other hand, is done on market charts where you're looking at how the numbers are moving, betting on the psychology of people, and are taking a high degree of risk when you spend your money. The risk is typically compensated by high rewards too, so it makes sense if you have the money to spare and the appetite for risk. Cryptocurrency can look like speculation, but like I explained last time, if you do your research, you're not just going to buy a bunch of Dogecoin because you saw Elon Musk tweet about it and then wait for the price to skyrocket, right? Please say you won't do that because that's like hitting the Doge on your own foot. इसलिए जरूरी है कि आप इन्वेस्ट करने से पहले क्रिप्टो के बारे में थोड़ा रिसर्च कर ले और किस तरह रिसर्च करना है इसके बारे में हमने डिटेल में अपनी पिछली वीडियो में बात भी किया है. सो इफ यू हैवंट ऑलरेडी सीन इट, गो चेक इट आउट एंड सेंड मी अ थैंक यू इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. अभी नहीं, वेट, बाद में. In our Catch Up with Crypto segment, we talk about the developments in the world of crypto that matter to you. Perhaps the biggest development that's come out in the recent days is that crypto might be getting regulated in India. We're still in the early days and there have been no official statements, but reports suggest that the government will define cryptocurrency as a commodity, which will allow it to be traded and will also open it up for taxation. We caught up with an expert to talk about why this matters.
I think some regulations in the crypto space are not a bad thing for now. I have spoken to a lot of seasoned investors who are very clear about the fact that, hey, we are okay to take the price risk, but we will not take any regulatory risks. So I think because of regulations or the lack thereof, the field is being harmed a little bit because a lot of great minds are not getting involved in it. This field is slightly technical at its core, and that's why most people don't understand it and hence are scared of it. So I think some regulations will help give confidence to the people, especially in India. Although in general, I'm a believer that markets should be as free as possible, but I think this field needs a little bit of regulation to start off at least. I think regulation can definitely go a long way in taking care of the problem of taxation on crypto. However, I really do hope that the new laws that come, especially with regards to taxation, are actually aimed at accomplishing the goal, whether that means partnering with exchanges, whether that means creating easy filing systems. The idea should not really be to create these complex laws which no one can even understand, let alone follow. But I think if the government works with a true goal to forward this industry while still taking its fair share of taxes, it certainly can be done. I think the problem with crypto being unregulated is not really the volatility. I think those are just free market forces, and that will change itself over time once more money and more people flow in. The bigger problem is that because this space is kind of technical and largely unknown and unexplored, a lot of people who understand this space tend to take advantage of those who don't. This was especially seen back in 2017 with the ICO craze, where anyone would launch a coin, pump the price up, and just dump their share, and they would make a lot of money, but everyone else would lose. So I think the main point of regulation with crypto should be to protect the investor rather than to subdue the technology or the market. So I've actually often looked at the crypto markets in the space in general as almost a person, when I started getting involved about 5-6 years ago, it was like an infant, and now it's more like this rebellious teenager who just does what he or she wants without caring about anything else. So I do think, yes, it will benefit with a little bit of regulation for now. However, I do believe it will eventually blossom into a fully grown adult, a self-sustaining market, because that's what the blockchain really stands for. A decentralized system that balances itself. But yes, I think for now it does need a little bit of hand-holding in terms of regulation to make sure it really does live up to its true potential.
Meanwhile, in our Market Watch segment, it's been a good period for crypto, and the overall cryptocurrency market cap has held above $2 ट्रिलियन। हैरान करने वाली बात यह है कि क्रिप्टो मार्केट की वैल्यूएशन इतनी ज्यादा हो गई है कि बहुत लोगों को इस मार्केट के बारे में अब तक पता भी नहीं है। In fact, speaking to the press, heads of cryptocurrency exchanges in India even predicted that Bitcoin, the largest and the most popular cryptocurrency, might hit the $100,000 mark by the end of the year. Take that with a pinch of salt though, since crypto has frequently defied being predictable over such short periods. American investment firm ARK Invest, however, came down strongly in favor of crypto last week. Cathie Wood, the firm's CEO, said that Bitcoin is proving to be a better investment than gold. Cryptocurrencies are much more than a store of value or digital gold. Bitcoin is a new global monetary system that is completely decentralized and not subject to the whims of policymakers, she told Yahoo Finance. She also said, "Are we in a bubble? We couldn't be further from it. The average investor doesn't understand how provocative these next 5 to 15 years are going to be, as these S-curves feed one another and enter exponential growth trajectories that we have never seen before." So what's happening with your investments? We've just seen a multi-month high for both Bitcoin and Ether, and a number of other cryptocurrencies are also seeing their moment in the sun as the momentum of crypto picks up again. Right now, if we look at figures on our crypto tracker, you can see that Bitcoin is up by 2.20%, while Ethereum has risen by 6.76%. Cardano is also doing well with a 6.16% rise in its value, with Ripple also showing a 1.85% improvement in the last 24 hours. Dogecoin is also doing well with a 0.65% rise. If we zoom out a bit and look at the overall picture too, you can see that most of the serious cryptos which have a developer community and a purpose behind them are doing well in the long term. What does this mean for the future? Well, the experts are bullish, but of course, I'm still learning about crypto alongside you guys, so your bet is as good as mine on what will come next. That's it for Crypto Unfiltered this week. If you have any questions, send them across to us on our Twitter or Facebook pages. This is Cyrus signing off with the promise that I will be back with more crypto next week.